Alright. Alright, you guys have those worksheets in front of you, and we're going to get to them in just a second, okay? Alright. Has anybody heard of finding the unit price?
I can find it.
You can.
Oh.
Well, how about just a quick measure? Thumbs up, thumbs down, sideways. Anybody ever
Yes.
heard of finding unit measure?
I've done it multiple times.
This picture of a grocery store kind of gives you a hint of what we're gonna do. This is what we call real life math, you guys.
So we're
This
gonna
is
find
what-
the prices of units. So
Yeah.
like chips.
Yeah.
M&M's could be like $1. So that's 100 cents.
100%.
Or 199 cents for like a $2.
Yeah, yeah, you pretty much got it. Unit price is the price of that product per unit, so per gallon, per ounce, per pound. You guys see these things if you go shopping with your parents, or if you go shopping on your own. You probably have seen these things before. It allows you to compare different products with each other and determine which option is least expensive. Okay, so why do people go to Costco? You buy in, yeah, Thomas?
Yeah, because like there's a lot of things and it's easier for, I guess, manufacturers to sell people a lot of a product rather than a little bit.
Yeah.
They would have to distribute it more.
Yeah, that's good. Hi guys, come on in. All right, so good, Thomas is right. So to find the unit price, this is our formula. Unit price equals total price of a product divided by how many units are in there. All right? So this is just kind of an example of what a tag might look like when you go to the store, whether you guys have noticed it or not. You might want to just take a look at it when you go shopping. Because some things, you'll be like, oh, that's only $3. But you only get 4 things in that pack. But if you buy something that's maybe $4 and there's 10 items in that pack, which one do you think is better? The one that's a little bit more expensive, but you get a lot more for it, right? So we're gonna do that. That's what we're gonna figure out today. Okay? Of course, I have a video for you guys, and it's gonna start out kind of loud, so please don't freak out. Okay? Ready? Here we go.
We're going to try to find out which is the better buy. You can get 5 cans for $3.05, or you can buy 3 cans for $1.86. And we're going to try to find out, let's say we want to buy a bunch of these cans, should we buy a bunch of them at this rate or at the $1.86 rate? So one way to do this is to find the unit price. And the unit price is a rate, and it's going to help us compare and find out which one is a better bargain for us. So the way you do that is you get 1 in the denominator. Maybe it's great that it's $3.05 for 5 cans, but it would be cool to find out how much it costs for 1 can, and then I can compare it to this one over here and see how much this is charging for 1 can. And then I'll know which one's a better bargain. So, $3.05 over 5. If I divide the top and bottom by 5, which is the denominator, I get 1 in the denominator here, and then I get 305 divided by 5, which is 61. So they're charging 61 cents for every 1 can. Now the other one is $1.86 per 3 cans. So to find out how much it costs per 1 can, I'll divide top and bottom by 3 over 3. These are just equivalent fractions, by the way, so I'm not changing anything. And I'll get one can down here, 3 divided by 3, and 186 divided by 3, which is 62. So this one costs 62 cents per can. So when I compare that, I'd rather pay 61 cents per can. That's cheaper for me, less expensive. So that is the better buy.
Oh, no.
Alright, does anybody have any questions? Pretty straightforward. Oh, Tom?
Does it really matter if it's just a 1 cent difference? I mean, that is very minuscule.
Yeah, I mean, it also, yeah, I mean, it just shows that things, the difference in between price, whether it's a couple cents, whether it's a couple of dollars. If you're really on a tight budget, if you're watching your money, sometimes those pennies can count. Yeah, it just depends. And any examples? You guys notice these guys? These are some examples that we have. Even buying a house, square footage for how much a house costs. So if you think about it, 1 square foot costs hundreds of dollars. That's why they get a house that's very, very expensive.
But those are free.
Huh?
Those are free.
Anybody else notice anything when they're out shopping, any unit price stuff that they've noticed? You may not, especially if you go shopping with your parents or do stuff like that. That's fine. This is something that you will probably start seeing a lot more of. Alright? So,
I see a unit price on a soda, $20.
yeah? Did you say soda?
Yeah.
Yeah, so like a can, like a 10 pack or 20 pack of cans is like $5.
It's better to get the 6-pack because usually they cost like $4 and you get 2 extra cans.
See?
Out of like the 6 cans you can buy.
Yeah.
So you're saving $2.
Exactly. See, you've seen it in real life. All right, so now you're gonna try. That's what those worksheets are there in front of you. If you don't have a partner, that's okay. You can move to work with a partner, or you can sit separately. That's fine. All right. So you can work independently. You can work with a partner. I'm okay either way, especially since we've got a lot of people out today. And that way you can reach it. Okay? Alright. So with your partner or on your own, go ahead and take a look at that worksheet that you have there.
That's a powerful sharpener.
I've got 2 sides here if you want to work with your partner or you can work on your own. Remember, I have the formula for what you're supposed to do. Total price divided by the units. And let's see which store is cheaper for each item. Okay, did you figure these guys out?
Less cost superstore.
Okay, so for less cost superstore, for the first one, it says 1 20-pack of soup for $5.99. So what do? The price?
SW, but I try
Yeah, we're trying to find which store. The less cost superstore or the SW supermarket. It's just practice. But it's not. Well, Miss Malari is serious. But this is something. Okay. Alright, so total price divided by the units. So how would you do the first one? How would you do the first one? What's the total price? $5.99, and then you're dividing it by how
Because
much?
4 5-packs equal 20
Perfect.
units.
Yeah,
And 4
so if
times
you need
1 is
to,
$4.
use your computer, the calculators on
So
Google.
$4.36.
If you have your own calculator, great, you're free to use that as well. Let's do some shopping, let's figure out what's the better buy.
Yeah, this one's better. I think SW is better than less cost for the soap.
Okay, we'll figure out how much each individual soap costs and we'll
Well-
find out for sure.
Well, if you multiply the unit times the price, so I got $4 multiplying the 1 and the data that's up. Then I multiplied the 9 and I got 36. So $4.36. I get 20 units because 4 units times 5. I know it's but you still get 20.
Okay,
And for this one, you don't have to multiply it. You still do it.
yeah, but you divide it, how many does each one cost?
$6.
Because you do $5.99 divided by
No, but how do you
$1,000.
figure $5.99 divided by 20?
No, you have to do $5.99 divided by 20 because you want to find out how much it costs for each individual thing inside the
Here's
house.
4, 5, so we need to do 109 divided by 9. And then multiply that, and figure out that's the cheaper one. What'd you guys get for that 20 pack of soap at $5.99? What'd you guys get? The first one? Okay, so about 30 cents each. And this one is, okay, so which one is the better buy?
Those are expensive. I hate the fancy.
That's why you guys have your calculators.
I hate it. It's my worst thing to do. I don't
Use your calculator. You're trying to use your calculator.
I really hate it.
Because if you think about it, when you're at the store, you pull out your phone real quick to figure it out.
You just did it twice for me.
No, you're dividing one.
It's not embarrassing. See, I can do it until I confidence even though I can't.
Oh, you have your computer out. I need you to be doing this too. That's what you're supposed to be
We're
doing.
just gonna look at it.
Man, I feel so dumb. We should do this all the time, like 5th grade.
Well, it's good practice when you become an adult. This is stuff that you're gonna need to do. So you're still coming up?
Zero? This is so.
And remember, you're taking your total price, dividing it by how many?
Man, and then I think I have what did I write? Is that the price difference?
So what did you do? You do your $5.99, your total price, divided by how many there are.
Oh, 9 divided by 4. Oh wait, so. I missed 9.
Good job. Good.
So I can put it in for you.
So then which number is better? Okay. Good.
Wait, no, that was.
How you doing?
You
Good. Yeah, you got it.
I'm feeling 218 cents.
My brain isn't turning.
Good job. You got it.
My brain doesn't hurt. Mine's just not too.
Before you know it, you're definitely gonna be using this in your brain.
I have a weapon. Watch out.
I just want to simplify it to 18 cents because I don't know where to do this. Okay, let's do clue.
Do something happen with that.
This is better. This is better.
Yeah.
But I've never heard of 218 cents. One of my last podcasts is better.
What do you do?
No.
It's like cents. So like 29 cents. The number in front of the decimal is
No, we're confused because
Why?
what is 218? I don't know. I don't know. This is hurting my brain.
Are you guys looking at my screen? I need to change this. Well, it's actually zero.
This is money.
It's cents. It would be cents and money for
It's zero.
$22.
0 and 218,000. This is where this is. How do I know?
Oh, it's 18 cents. Right?
No, it's 21 cents. This is in like 8/10 of a cent.
Yeah, you buy that cent.
Well, you can round, right?
Like, did somebody like chop it off like a toenail?
No.
What? I don't know.
For the most part, you would probably round, right?
It's the most easiest, confusingest thing I've ever done.
It's the most easy, confusing.
So if you're thinking about it in money, right, 109 divided by 5. 1.09 divided by, that is 5 and a half. 21 cents. If you round it, rounding, right? You guys remember how to round? If it's 5 or higher, you round up. So this would technically be 22 cents. That way you don't need that.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Because in money, you don't have like a dollar and
I finished.
33
No,
cents.
what are you doing? I'm setting going up boards. What happened to your
I just was like, I'm
What
gonna
are they
say,
doing?
I guess you're.
You first, where you live
You
is.
got it.
Oh, yeah. I finished it.
Yeah, from the hospital.
Perfect. All right. I'll close it in a second. All right. How's everybody doing? Good. Leo, you got it?
We still have to divide them.
5.99 divided by 20.
Yo.
Yeah, bro, don't mind my new bag.
The light skin creeps there. Well, the ice hunters there.
So each one is 29 cents.
Really? That's like you see the
Scary movie. It's a jump scare.
Wow.
That's a dog.
Is that your screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
I have big eyes.
Nah, I think this one is better because per long. Oh, per rock. Oh, wait.
The 40 ounces and this is 20.
It's so obvious which one is better. So,
And they were rated
That's better.
$8.99 divided by 4.
Good.
Hi, handsome guy.
Yeah. What's up?
I don't know, I just,
Look at all that.
Okay, done it.
you left one. Because, bro,
It's done.
that's $20. That's only $18.
I altered. I just on.
You're hurting my brain.
I know, bro.
It's hurting your brain. I know it is early, and I am asking you guys to do math, but that's why I'm letting you use calculators.
Why is there so
Yeah.
We're alleviating some of the pain.
I'll
that
be
you're
able to do this
using
midday, but not now.
I think it's the front half shrunk.
Oh, yeah, you're right, because my.
It's $8.99 divided by 4. 4K.
Ford.
$3.
Wait, you guys have.
Hey,
I have 11%.
22 cents each.
You only have to type in the first 2 decimals because those are cents. Unless you have to type all of them. You have to type all.
Sorry, my turn.
For what part are you talking about?
Decimals. Because you should only have to type the first 2.
Right, you don't have to, no.
Money.
Yeah, money only goes with 2 decimal places after.
Ew. Last one is the right one.
Yes, I do.
Last one's right here.
Alright, did anybody figure out the sandwich bags? Which has the better price? The less
The last
cost
Let's do it.
the SW supermarket?
Nah, the last cost
The
superstore.
less cost superstore. Because it's 22 cents each, right?
That's the one I clicked on.
Huh?
No,
Well, if you round it, use the 4 to round, right?
Oh.
Yeah, so it's 22, because if it's below 5,
I got 23.
we just leave
I
it.
have to think of it.
Oh,
check it.
I have everything. Left,
Alright,
left, right.
How do you know which one's better?
Because this
which one has the lower
this
price
is 20
per?
bucks. This is
Alright,
Per package.
so the right one is better.
That's 20 bucks. Small thing.
I'm doing this legit for you guys.
Yes, you are.
That's very much.
At least I get my fanny fees later. These things.
Alright.
Oh, you don't. Dude, that's 20 bucks for 4 bottles of shampoo. That's only 18, right?
Yeah. Okay, guys.
What was that? Her turning into my food, that's what that was.
Ew.
I thought that was
Okay.
something.
Everybody, we're almost there. Some people are done, that's good.
Oh
When
my
you're done,
God.
please fill out your exit slip.
I'm not.
I know which ones are right, but
Uh-huh.
I don't know what to do.
Decimals inside decimals inside decimals.
Bro, how does your pencil keep on
My
falling?
pencil hates me.
It just likes you to shake
Still
it.
turning into a cat? Like, the little trying to do something?
Yay, divided by
Almost
500. That is so low.
Where'd you go?
2
Oh.
cents.
2
Do you
cents?
guys want to read so far about my book? Yeah.
Yeah, I think 500 bad.
Yeah, actually. I have
Divided by 500.
72.
2
Yeah.
cents. Okay, wait a minute, that was 23.
2
It
cents
has
for
to be
each
54.
sandwich
Yeah,
bag.
but there's 100 cents and a dollar. That means you're doing 1,000 cents,
Anyways, okay.
which is 1/10 of a cent.
What?
The third number in the decimal is a tenth of a cent, and then the fourth is 100. Not a decimal. It's penny.
Did you
We're making you money right now, money.
What?
Making you money.
This makes no sense.
Right?
Is Milo breaking your brain now?
Yeah, how?
Sorry, I praise for a living.
If his brain is hurting, everybody's gotta be hurting, right?
For real.
I love it.
It doesn't make sense.
This one?
Yeah.
Look, we divided it. $11.
Water bottle.
Let's see if I can find another scary.
Oh, bag. I thought it was box.
No. So, each one, unit price, each one.
But yeah.
I'm gonna change my background to capybara because it's my favorite. They're so
That's
chunky.
such little chunky body.
I went to San Diego Zoo just to see them.
Oh, yeah.
I love them so much.
Well, think about the zoo and having to buy all the food for the animals.
Wow.
Is it cheaper to buy just like 5 bananas for the monkeys, or is it cheaper to buy a truckload?
Don't put math into this.
There's math everywhere, sorry.
They eat their own food.
No, why would you spread such lies about
Because they need it for their nutrition.
They get it from like plants.
Yeah, but after they eat the plants, they eat their own food for nutrition. I researched it.
Oh my, okay.
It's like a whole circle.
Yeah, that's definitely
It's like they stabbed it.
Alright.
No, I'm almost done.
Alright, in about a minute, go ahead and do your exit slip for me, please.
What is that exercise?
The one that we did.
That's a bit too many fours for me.
20
Oh my goodness, yeah, that is a lot.
divided.
Round it. Remember, you only need 2 numbers after that decimal. Talking about money. Yes, ma'am.
My name is Milo.
Seriously, no.
No.
Because it's that small of a number. That small. Small percentage.
Technically, don't have to round because if you're using a credit card to pay.
Actually, you do have to.
Yeah, if you're using a credit card, yes. Somebody eventually will do the rounding for you. Alright, how's the exit slip coming? Looks like we're doing good.
I would give this an 8,
What?
and I'll make it a square.
Square 8.
I'll give it 9.
Man, I'm giving you a 5. Oh, yes.
Good job, you guys. Perfect. You're gonna do nothing.
There we go.
Does anybody think they'll look at things differently when they go shopping?
No, I already know.
I
Yeah,
think
honestly,
I
yeah.
don't want to.
I know, this is more of a, as you get older thing, but this is good to know.
I already
I
did
could do
everything.
this midday, but not now.
Yeah, early math, I'm sorry. I apologize. I won't do it to you again, I promise. Well. Right, everybody done?
Nice.
You guys look good, yeah? Perfect.
What time do we do that?
3:01.
2 minutes.
I'm finished. I am done with it.
We did it!
Good job.
I'm smart.
I did it
You
right.
guys are smart. You guys are awesome.